The last trip of the season, we've had a lot of fun doing this, and you might know this is our second year that the Chamber of Commerce have done this, and so you're very lucky. You get the president of the Chamber of Commerce, John Dasher, and I'm president-elect. So we're the top two. You get the very best. And I want to introduce to you Jodi Elson. Jodi will tell you about CyRide, and then John and I will tell you about the tour.
Hi there, my name is Jodi Elson. I'm a junior here at Iowa State. I'm from Cedar Rapids, Iowa. Many of you know where that's at. And I've been working at CyRide since last November, so I'm pretty new to the job, but I really like it so far. I just wanted to tell you a few things about CyRide. I don't know if any of you have had brothers or sisters or maybe friends who come up to Iowa State, and maybe they've ridden CyRide once in a while and told you what it's all about. But I just thought I'd tell you a few things about it. I gave everybody a route map when they got on, and what it is if you open it up, there is a map of our fixed routes. And as you can see, everything is color-coded, so that it's really easy to read. If you can fill out the application to get into Iowa State, you should have no problem at all reading this map. And if you do have any problems, you can always call our office and tell us, where you want to go and where you're at, and we can help you out and give you, when you can get there, and what time the buses leave, what routes to take, and everything like that. $11 of your fees, each semester you pay your fees, $11 goes towards funding CyRide. Excuse me just a second, we got another person here. Okay, didn't want to have to make him stand outside, so. Like I was saying, $11 of your fees each semester that you pay your fees goes towards funding CyRide, so you get to ride for 25 cents as long as you bring along your fee card to show the driver. That's on the fixed routes only. If you don't have your fee card, it's 60 cents just as it would be for any adult in Ames to ride the bus. Another option that you have for paying for CyRide is you can buy a semester pass. And what that is at the beginning of the semester, you can pay $40 and you get the full pass. You ride CyRide as many times as you want in the semester. You can ride it 100 times a day, every day of the semester if you want to. You don't have to pay anything other than that $40. And you don't have to buy them, just at the beginning of the semester. You can buy them throughout the semester, and at reduced rates as the weeks go by. So maybe if you don't want to buy one right away, you can buy one later in the year. More people. Okay, another service that we have at CyRide is called CyRide, and that's primarily for elderly and handicapped within Ames. And what that is it's a door-to-door service for them, where we take them to the grocery store and to the doctor, and we pick them up at their house and then take them, wherever they want to go. And it's just primarily for the elderly and handicapped, and it costs them $1.50. And it's the general public, everyone's to ride it. So if you need to ride it somewhere, it's $6 for you to ride. Another service we have, as you can see, we have the posters up on the bus here that say Night Ride. And I don't know how many of you have heard about Night Ride. What it is any citizen in Ames or anyone who just happens to be in Ames on Friday or Saturday nights when school is in session, from 10:30 at night until 2 o'clock in the morning, you can ride anywhere in Ames for free. So, maybe you want to go out and go bowling, maybe at Century Lanes on the other side of town. So you can go out there, maybe get a pizza afterwards, and just call CyRide, tell them where you're at, and we'll take you home. Another reason why I wanted to tell you a little bit about CyRide is because as a student, it's very hard to have a car up here at Iowa State. The campus isn't really set up to accommodate having cars, and you can see that there are a lot of gates closing off the campus. It's just a big hassle. I don't think you can bring your car up here and drive class. It doesn't work that way. You have to park either out in the Iowa State Center parking lot and we have a parking lot shuttle that runs for free from the parking lot into campus. Another thing is that we have a big problem with vandalism out here in the parking lots, particularly behind the football stadium. If you're a freshman, in all likelihood, you'll end up parking your car up there. I ended up doing that. I brought my car up here for 3 weeks because I had to go to a banquet that my college was having, and it was being held at the Starlight Village, which is way outside of town, almost near the highway. And I had my car parked out there for 3 days, and at 7 o'clock one morning, the student security called me and told me that, my car had been vandalized, and they didn't tell me anything else, just to get out there right away. It was the middle of November, and my back windows had been broken out, and I had this little Honda Accord that had these, or a Honda Civic that had these teardrop-shaped windows, and it was impossible to find someone to replace them. I had to drive to Des Moines in November, it was snowing, I had a garbage bag taped over my window. So, you have to deal with things like that, and there are also kids, that just go through and just to have fun, scrape keys along your paint, So you might want to just consider that bringing a car up here right away isn't a very good idea. Another problem is our ISU parking systems office likes to give out a lot of tickets, and they issued 66,000 of them last year, and they are usually $10 a piece, and I heard that the price is probably going to go up as far as their fines are going. So, I don't know about you,